What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a really cool video for you today. I'm doing a double track day. So right now I am at the Waterford Hills road racing track to do some grip racing. And then after that, I'm going to Auto City to do some drifting. So it's gonna be a day full of driving, and I know my car can hold together, so I'm excited to get a ton of seat time today. But check this out. So Marcus is in California for a Lamborghini Super Trofeo race. So I brought my next best friend, and Jilly's gonna be filming today.
That's right. It's gonna be good.
She's got the steadiest hands of all the land. So this is probably the best footage we'll ever have on the channel. And then if we're lucky, we might get her in the car and go for a lap. What do you think?
I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I think it's gonna
She's
be the
thinking
day.
about it. She had to drive with me when I was on my learner's permit before I had my license. It's really hard to get her in the car now after all that, but we'll see.
Hopefully it's a better experience today. How'd it go out there?
went great. So it ended up that our drift event was canceled, so I started pushing really hard. I don't have to keep the car together to go to another event after this, so
awesome.
I'm pushing really hard. I got some good laps in there. The last time I was here, my time was like a 125, which is pretty slow for a Corvette, but now that I know the track and I know the car, I'm gonna hopefully get that down to just below the 120s.
Awesome.
Thanks for filming.
Good job.
You like it up there? You
Good
smell
job.
my oil?
Oh yeah.
Smell my oil?
I could smell it.
Right on diesel right there. I can just see a little, I can hear it underneath the car like a boom. But I just look, it's just a little white smoke coming out.